Hey, TechTalk viewers, this is the ChanClan, and here we have another Apple Watch. This is the Apple Watch 6 in stainless steel. So this was a late edition to actually replace my wife's Apple Watch 4, or is it 5? I think she has a 5. Nope, she has a 4. 4 stainless steel as well, going up to 6. Primarily because Walmart was selling this at the wrong price. Walmart had this listed at $479 and should be going up over 600. Now we've seen it as low as 649. 679, 699 are closer to normal prices. But Walmart's actually done that twice now on this same model, and I think they're getting confused price matching other sales. But regardless, this is the stainless steel watch. This is not an edition watch. So if you take a look at my titanium watch review, this is a little different than the titanium in that first and foremost, it does not come with a charger. So just like the aluminum editions, the stainless steel is not considered an edition watch. And that actually has some implications with its Apple Care as well. This is the white edition in 40 millimeters. So this is the smaller watch face. Again, for a smaller person, smaller wrist. You can see that stainless steel is very polished and shiny. And nice features, just like before. The Apple Watch 6 does have the built-in pulse oximeter, ECG. These are demonstrated in my titanium watch review that I'll send up, or I'll put the link in the description below that you guys can see. Okay. This also has a nice sapphire crystal face, which is a little different than the Ion X glass that they have for the aluminum series, hence the more expensive build to this. All of the stainless steel models are also GPS and cellular enabled, hence the little red ring on the dial there. Other than that, this is low battery out of the box. This comes with the watch strap. So whatever this is labeled as having, this one being a white sports band, does come in both sizes for the attachment here being in the medium, large, and the small size. So wife's in the small size there, so I have had that set up, but you also get that medium large band as well, so no need to buy another one there. So the biggest difference between this and the Edition watch is, so the titanium, and they don't make the ceramic anymore, but the insert here does not have the AC adapter, so that little power plug. It does contain a standard USB charging puck though for the Apple Watch, and the Apple Watch was sitting in there. So here's a buying tip. Take a look at this at Walmart, just because it may be erroneously discounted. It's happened twice already, and we were able to get this brand new for $479 instead of 600 plus, 649 to 699. Just to give you a comparison, I still have my titanium Apple Watch 6 from my previous review. It's doing very well. Size-wise, you can see the titanium right next to it, right here. My black titanium is a lot less shiny, okay? But its surface, its face has held up to the weeks of wear right now. No scratches on it. A little dusty and dirty, but that's okay. Where it's swimming and whatnot. And you can see that this is a lot shinier. It's a lot more polished in that finish versus the titanium, which is a lot more matte, right? So you can see the difference there. Same features, absolutely same benefits as far as the new screen, the new processor, the pulse ox, the ECG, hand washing, and ambient noise detection is all featured within the stainless steel. So really, the stainless steel adds everything that the SE and the aluminum watch have, in addition to a sapphire crystal face instead of the Ion X glass, and as well it has integrated cellular, hence the little red dial, in addition to GPS. Wi-Fi is standard in all these. Fall detection, what else does it have? All the features that you want to have. Always on to screen. You can set it for to be always on, but again, I have set it to raise to wrist to turn on, just because again, both of these are OLED displays with the potential, as the technology has, of screen burn-in. That's something that you'll want to consider. The Edition watch does have a little better Apple Care warranty versus the stainless steel. Costs a little bit more though. Stainless steel, you can get the Apple Care warranty, I think off the top of my head, I think it's $79. I'll have to double check on that. Go to apple.com and you can add it within 30 days of purchase, which I anticipate doing. Good idea, especially for your Apple Watch. The whole reason I upgraded to the 5 and then the 6 now was because my 3, the screen died after, I think, just 3 years. I think right after the Apple Care finished off, all of a sudden one day, I raised my wrist. Actually, I think I have a video. So if you look at my TechTalk videos, I do have my Apple Watch 3 dying as one of those videos. Right out of the extended warranty range. I even talked to Apple. They were not able to extend anything further on that. So, pro tip, if you buy these watches on your Citi credit card, they typically will extend 2 years on the manufacturer warranty after the end of any extended warranty. The card that covers this best is the Costco Visa card. So I typically buy my electronics on the Costco Visa card for the extra 2-year warranty on top of the extended warranty. So that should get you further coverage there. In fact, I should go dig up my Apple Watch 3 and see if I had that benefit. Anyways, this is a side-by-side comparison of the Apple Watch 6 in stainless steel, 40 millimeters, versus the titanium that you also saw in black at 44 millimeters, and a couple of tips on trying to buy this cheap, as well as extending your warranty right out of the gate if you purchase this strategically with a credit card with those benefits. Hopefully these tips help you as you consider your purchases. Here's another review and unboxing of the Apple Watch 6, this time in 40 millimeter stainless steel with a white sports strap. And we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. This is the Chan Clan Tech Talk of the Apple Watch 6 in stainless steel with the white sports strap.